Hi everyone, I'm here to show you as to why Miguel Guzman is such a retarded cuck fag for installing Windows on his ThinkPad. He has broken the cardinal sin of installing a non-Linux distribution on his Lenovo ThinkPad. Look. Look at this shit. You see that? It's booting. It shows Windows. Windows? What the fuck? Who the fuck installed Windows on their ThinkPad? This is why, this is why he deserves to get executed. Shut the fuck up. I don't care. I don't care. Shut the fuck up. I install Windows when I want to install Windows. You smug-faced bitch. Fuck you. I have nothing better to do with my time.